I'm John. I'm the congressman of the 2nd District, and I'm at the Bamboo Bootcamp to know more about bamboo. That's the basic thing that I wanted to do. Oh, definitely this thing, construction of this building. The reason is that you'd be amazed as to what you can do with bamboo. No? It can carry weight. It can be molded to shape something, into the shape of something. It's strong enough to withstand, the pressures, and it's sturdy. Yeah. Well, I always associated bamboo with the nipa hut that we do, as part of its uses. But having gone through the bamboo camp, you'd learn to appreciate more, and actually you'd learn that it's not just for these things. Huh? The lowly bamboo that you see is actually a great thing, and we should be treating it better, I guess. It's really absorbing all the information that you get, and siguro rewiring your brain to think that bamboo is not just an ordinary thing. It has a lot of uses that we've never really considered. Well, because other than its strength, and its availability, it's all around us. Not only does it help the environment, not only that does it provide livelihood for maybe for our farmers. It's a material that, if properly used, could create great things. Overall review of the Bamboo Bootcamp. Well, you start off with the lectures, and you learn a lot about it, and then the greatest experience is actually handling the bamboo yourself, and doing the things that you've been taught to do, and seeing the actual result of your work makes the experience totally worth it. Everyone should be here. I'm a lawyer by profession, and I have no engineering or architecture experience, no carpentry experience. But I really learned a lot, and it opens your mind to the many things that can be done with bamboo. I would like to learn more of the finer ways of using bamboo. We've learned about the general or the basic stuff about bamboo, but I would like to know more about siguro the finer craft of bamboo making, or bamboo using bamboo. One word. It's amazing. Bamboo teaches you.